I skid I do a handbrake now. I mean left. Okay, very slippery very slippery
I didn't really feel the slipperiness.
Really I don't know where is it going lah.
We are like going into people's back alleyway.
You sure you want to come here?
Go je lah, since we are already here. I assume it's a dead end.
Very dangerous.
Later people come out with parang and chase us.
Very funny.
Ah, fuck. I'm having troubleshooting.
The girl is looking at you.
Huh?
The girls are just looking at you. Through you.
Ah. This is so embarrassing.
You drop your bike enough already.
Lucky there was only 2 girls there.
One whole kampung habis lah.
I think my bike is going to be filthy after this.
Hey, should we explore here some more? Or should we try some other place?
Just go to the next location lah. Go to the river there.
I don't know where is the river.
It's in the list.
I mean, I want to stop one side first to check this.
Hey, exchange bikes or what? Can we turn left?
I don't know, I don't think so. I think it's supposed to be right, but it's okay.
Wait, what the hell? Your screen went off. Oh wait, now mine is back. I had to double tap.
On there.
Hey, what the fuck? Wrong way lah, wait.
At the back, right?
Yeah, it's at the back. Wow, so easy to U-turn.
Okay, stunt.
Very nice to ride a scooter around kampung area. I mean in small roads like this. Is it here? Oh yeah, turn right. Is it? Yeah. Eh, not here lah. Maybe it is. Yeah, not here. The heck? It's the other side. You want to U-turn or you want to go straight?
You go straight first a bit.
Oh yeah, need password.
Oh, here got offer already. Let me check and see first. See whether it's possible for your bike to go in.
I'm lazy to wait, I'll just go.
Sure. Hey, careful you try and ride with your legs out.
I am.
Yeah, just in case your bike drops.
My arms are starting to hurt. You turned right or you went straight? Hey, where are you? The fuck? Oh my god, are you serious?
Hello?
I thought you turned right, I went right and then it was a dead end.
You can turn you can go inside.
What's over there?
Nothing, just a construction site.
I'm just praying my tires doesn't get punctured. I don't know if I should be riding on the grass or on the gravel. The grass is so rough.
Up to you.
Is it a restaurant or what over there? People be like, apa ni orang? Woo, that was tiring. See the group of people just staring at us. Ah.
Ouch.
You want to go left?
Where is left?
I don't know.
I go and see first.
Okay, I go see with you.
But here a bit dangerous.
Dangerous is interesting. What?
Very slippery. Careful.
Yes, I'm being super careful.
Don't go so fast, Hardy. You have to go very, very slow.
This is the kind of place where people will drive up to in the middle of the night and have sex.
driver like you.
Dead end.
I want to go out there, but I'm damn scared of this line. You wanna?
What line?
The straight line. Cause got radiation. So kuala.
Yes.
Oh shit now.
Oh, hey, this is sampah smell. Sour one.
There, it's like I'm on Mars, right?
Yeah.
Right.
Shall I go?
It looks fine for now. Later I see got people inside. You want to bring one of them? Quite expensive car. Looks pretty.
The fuck?
Hey, you saw the big cars?
Yeah.
I said we will shoot us.
Illegal cars.
No.
Illegal for sale cars. Yeah, I really wonder where do they go to? Like they park here and then they walk somewhere into the jungle.
And they concrete.
Such a nice area.
Yeah, I think I chill at the side here. Do you think it's dangerous?
Not really.
Oh.
Whoa!
Can we even go there? We want to go straight though. Should we turn right?
Go. I feel like going up though. Although the roads is closed.
Is it closed? Are you sure it's closed? Does not seem like closed, right? It's open actually. No entry is here. And here lah.
There's a barrier for a reason lah.
And here got off-road. Here construction site.
But this isn't the place. Hey, here
Where you want to go?
Not here. Yeah, I don't think we can go lah. I think people will show us away if we were to go down. I really feel like going up the road there though. But I'm pretty sure we are not allowed to.
I think this off.
Oh. There off-road on your left. Off-road on your left.
Oh, Nazi Highlands, come here. See what I said. Oh, sir.
We are supposed to turn left in here.
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, doesn't look like it's good for you. This is a mud,
Shit.
It's a mud,
Can I even go?
It's slippery. You need to go fast. You need to build some speed.
I think I'll go through the right. Never
You
mind.
need to build some speed. You already Bangkok, huh?
Huh?
Your mic got Bangkok already.
What?
Oh.
Oh, what the shit? It broke lah, way. It's broken.
See lah. How?
What? It was like this already, is it, when I came in? Oh, no wonder I heard something scraping the ground when we were doing the left turn. I looked back, I thought somebody fell or something. I think this must be it. How?
Cut it.
I think cutting is the only way, right?
Got too much off-road already, too patah. There goes your mud guard. $500. But do you need it? I mean, do you want to fix it or what? You plan to fix it lah.
I don't know. I mean, either ways, I'm not gonna throw it away for now.
Yeah.
You know, who knows, I could reuse the number plate or whatever.
Then you try and fit in your bag ah. You need some towel.
What?
Sure.
Wait, slow down now. Wait for me. I'm pretty sure we are not even allowed to be here. What's the worst that could happen anyway? Hey, it's not that steep lah. I think you can go up. Really?
Don't dare.
Why?
But you go up there, how you going to come down?
No, you, not me.
No, but the thing is, yeah, how am I going to come down? I'm going to have to reverse back.
Slowly lah.
I mean,
I'm just afraid that something might hit my belly pan. I can't even turn really.
Should I go up? Should I not? Should I
Go!
I think I go there better first.
That one is even steeper though.
But that looks more safe for me.
I really want to try though, but I'm just scared for my bike.
Need to build speed. Maybe you can. I don't know whether your bike can or not. You need to build some speed up.
Did I hit something?
You can hear your belly fan.
Fuck!
Come down better.
No, help me push from this side. No. Help me reverse.
I lift it up.
Oh shit! Bro! How am I supposed to get down? This is such a bad idea. Now I regret. Oh my god.
Scratches lah.
No, I don't know whether this is... Oh yeah, it is from my belly pan. I don't know, crack it is.
No, scrape I think. It's fine lah.
How am I going to get down? It's so steep. Is there another way?
Yeah, definitely. I got it all recorded.
You mean me going out?
Everything lah. Your you have to keep it straight. You cannot turn midway.
Yeah.
You cannot turn on. You
Very
need
hard
to
to
keep it
turn.
straight. I find another way first. You stop here.
I can't believe you're doing this way. This is so stupid.
But a bit here down there lah. I mean a bit high.
Oh my god, you're really doing it. If only I can go up with you.
But going down, what goes up must come down.
Was it easy? Was it hard?
It's not that easy, but it's not that hard also lah.
Tired though.
I can imagine, especially with your bike somewhere. Okay, here got nothing fun. You go up there lah, I think. Here you cannot go up.
Too late lah. Whatever lah. Boleh je.
Oh shit.
Whoa.
Luckily. Hey, don't come here. It's like so slippery. I can imagine how dirty is it, but
Oh no. You saw my back tire slipping.
I think don't play here also lah. They are too dangerous.
No, just avoid the wet. This is all wet. These are all wet sand lah.
Don't play with.
I think.
You need help not?
No.
You don't try.
Okay, I stalled again.
Yeah, the wet sands are super dangerous.
Your tire is like completely brown, man.
Yeah, you see here. Not a place for my bike to play in wet puddle.
What is off-road without wet sand?
My bike can't handle.
My shoe is also getting filthy. Now I am riding illegally without a number plate.
My gloves too.
Oh
Hey,
shit, sorry.
Did you notice the shit, man, you?
I noticed, but I thought they crossed already.
Go slow. Auto lah.
Help wash mine.
No more water already.
Hello, walao, save some for me lah. Yeah, just dirtying their floor.
You don't care.
But the water no pressure though. You need pressure.
No, you have to smash it in. Smash it. That means you need to use that. Yeah.
Oh shit, I actually sprayed my engine and then it made that screw it lah, don't do it, lazy.